Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Amegy bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and bring up the search bar and type in Amegy bank login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link www.amegybank.com. Just click on that first link. It might take a while to loading, wait for it. Now guys, you will be directly taken to the official website of Amegy Bank. Now at the right side of your screen you can see the sign in form. You just need to enter your username over here. Similarly enter your password over here. Click on remember me for further use, but I suggest you guys do not try it in public computer. If you need any help, just click on need help. And once you click on sign in button, you will be easily access your account. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.